लड़की हो और गाली देती हो, मतलब it's so not cool.
हाँ venture. Yeah.
But you know, you get this.
Isn't this coming on TV? So I think everything we say is going to be beep.
You bloody chutiya churel gaan fadi nakkas banaye nakkas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sandwich.
Bosrika.
You can't beep this. You cannot beep this. It doesn't even sound like the original. You have to keep this. I think this is a new way to abuse. Just mispronounce all the gali.
You chatiya. You bosrika. आप लुंड है. बड़ा लुंड.
That's a compliment for us.
Beautiful.
And
यूनी बड़ा है.
Uni?
क्या? Uni?
What is vagina in Hindi?
Yoni.
Uni?
Yoni, na?
It's called yoni.
No, I know vagina.
You don't even know this?
No, because Vagina Monologues, the place called Kissa Yoni ka in Hindi. So I'm
Yes,
assuming
it's
that.
yoni. But I'm impressed.
Thank you.
You didn't know other Hindi words,
But I know
but you knew
vagina.
vagina.
Yeah.
This is fabulous, guys.
I think everyone knows what penis is. Lund.
Yes.
What else is the penis called? Laura, poppet.
Ghanta.
No one knows what vagina is. It's very
Yeah.
sexist that people don't know what vagina is.
Listen, do you? A lot of people say this, huh? Which I also agree कि सब गाली जो है,
हाँ.
वो लड़कियों के नाम पे होती है.
हाँ.
So, do you think it's cool or not cool?
You know, honestly, like when I
Actually, Saurabh Pant came here last
Yeah.
time and he said कि नहीं, मैंने decide किया अब मैं गाली जो है वो लड़कों के नाम पे दूंगा. Your take?
Honestly, हम ऐसे हर चीज के सेमांटिक्स में अगर घुस जाएंगे ना,
Girl, boy.
तो बहुत सारी चीजें हमें फिर क्वेश्चन करनी पड़ेंगी. एंड आई एग्री, इट्स नॉट, देयर इज नो भाईचोद एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट.
Yeah.
But it's because these galis are in a way addressed to men, right? They're talking about women, but then they're being said to men. So they can also complain, why are they being said to us? End of the day, you just have to understand there is an emotion behind a gali, and it really doesn't mean
Yeah.
anything. And of course, I know it's too trivial. It's too stupid to trivialize it and say it doesn't mean anything. But I'm just saying that a lot of times you don't need to get into the nitty-gritties of it. मतलब किसी को मन कर रहा है गाली आई
तो दे.
Yeah, it's not exactly semantics.
Yeah.
It's not the mother or father part. It's just
Yeah, we
the
don't
emotion
actually
behind
mean
it.
it. It's just
It's what you're actually
Yeah.
saying behind that. It's
Right.
not like you're just angry and you're trying to
yeah.
insult somebody.
It's not the
a
meaning
word.
at all.
Yes.
Like गुस्से में आप थोड़ी meaningful
I
चीजें
agree with her
बोलते हो.
completely.
तो अगर बच्चे के सामने गाली देनी पड़े
हाँ.
तो क्या देते हो? Like people say, oh fish, or oh whatever.
Oh, fish.
Fish,
So,
yeah.
fish.
Oh,
Yeah.
fish? In front of kids, I'm just like, oh.
Duck, yaar.
Yeah.
Duck, man.
Oh, fuck.
What? Just duck off.
Fuck off.
Duck off.
Duck yourself, okay?
Just suck
How
off.
the duck is going.